Hi, you are welcome to this channel. My name is Opoku Eric, and today I'm going to show you how to restore deleted items on the computer. Okay, so now here I am on the desktop. So we are going to look at how to restore items in the recycle bin. So let's say these files have been deleted. Alright, so what you have to do is double click to open the recycle bin. You can either double click it to open it, or you right click it and then you click on open. So this is the recycle bin. Now these are the items which have been deleted. So what you have to do, you have to select the particular item you want to restore, or if you want to restore all the items, you select all. So let's say I want to restore this particular item. You select that file or folder, and then you come to this part and then you click on restore the selected item. So when you click on it, you realize that that particular item will no more in the recycle bin. So I'm going to repeat the same process again. So what you have to do is open the recycle bin, select the particular item you want to restore, and then click on restore the selected items. Now if there are more than one items, what you have to do, you have to select all, or you have to click on restore all items. So when you click on that, all the items will no more be in the recycle bin. And this is the simple way in order to restore items in the recycle bin. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell for any updates. Bye.